Dear students, today we will look into Chemistry Paper 4, October-November 2019, Paper 4-3. Question 3. 3C here. The positions of some common metals in the reactivity series are shown here. So we can see here magnesium, aluminium and copper. So the reactivity series is a list of metals arranged in order of their decreasing reactivity. So in this series, metals higher up are more reactive and can displace metal lower down in certain chemical reaction. So when we look into question 1, when magnesium is placed in aqueous copper sulfate, a displacement reaction occurs immediately. Write an ionic equation for the reaction. Include state symbols here. Okay, so when, for example, if magnesium is placed in aqueous copper sulfate, displacement reaction occurs immediately. So here, magnesium is a metal, so solid. React with copper sulfate solution. So ionic equation for copper sulfate is Cu2 plus and it's in aqueous form. We will get here copper as a metal and magnesium sulfate solution. So ionic equation for magnesium sulfate, magnesium 2 plus and aqueous. So we will get mark here for ionic equation and state symbols. Question 2. State 2 observation you would make when magnesium is placed in aqueous copper sulfate. So when we place magnesium is placed in aqueous copper sulfate, immediate reaction will take place and the solid dissolves. So magnesium solid here dissolves. Or the solid disappears. Second here, the blue color solution of copper sulfate become paler or fades. Okay, question 3 here. When aluminium foil is added to aqueous copper sulfate, no immediate reaction takes place. Why? Okay, here we can see aluminium form unreactive coating of aluminium oxide. Therefore, it becomes unreactive and it will not react with copper sulfate solution. So, unreactive coating of aluminium oxide. Okay, unreactive coating of aluminium oxide make it unreactive to react with copper sulfate. So now we will see how this experiment works.